All right, let's talk numbers. This video is about what YouTube paid me in 2025 as a small channel. Real numbers, no fluff, no fake screenshots, no gurus. I published my first video October 27th, 2025. So this is very much a new channel perspective. If you're thinking about starting a YouTube channel or already have one and you're wondering, is it even worth it? This one's for you. Before we get into the numbers, let's quickly go over what it actually takes to get monetized on YouTube, because it's the part that trips people up. To qualify for monetization, you need 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 valid public watch hours in the last 12 months, or 10 million short views in 90 days. And on top of that, you need to follow YouTube's policies, have no active strikes, and apply and get approved for the YouTube Partner Program. So until you hit these requirements, YouTube can show ads on your videos, but you won't get paid. Where my channel currently stands. So here's where I'm at right now. Subscribers, 75. Watch hours, 201. First video published October 27, 2025, which means I'm not monetized. I'm not close to monetized. And YouTube absolutely not cutting me a check yet. But honestly, that's expected. The channel is brand new, and everything you're seeing here is organic growth, garage videos, golf cart builds, installs, mistakes, fixes, and a little shop humor mixed in. The part everyone clicks on. So let's get to the part everyone clicks on. What did YouTube pay me in 2025? Absolutely nothing. Zero, nada, zilch. Not even enough to buy a socket that I've already lost. And that's okay, because YouTube isn't a get-rich-quick thing. It's slow build, especially for hands-on DIY niche content like this. Why am I still doing this? I'm still posting because I enjoy building and fixing things. I know this content helps people avoid mistakes, and honestly, I'd be doing this stuff anyway in my garage. The channel will grow if I stay consistent, improve the videos, and keep sharing the real-world stuff, not just the highlight reel. So if you watched any of my videos, if you learned anything, or something, or nothing, or even if you just laughed at me doing something the hard way, please like, subscribe, and drop a comment. It generally helps the channel grow, pushes the videos out to more people, and maybe, just maybe, we'll see some actual YouTube revenue in 2026. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.